Yeah, hi. This is Hansong Technology. I don't know if you know us, but I just want to introduce a little bit about our company. We're OEM, leading OEM in connectivity and connected audio. One of the products I'm going to show to you today is a product called StayC. It's a product which is really connecting people, particularly dementia people, elder care, assisted living. It's a product which can do everything from video streaming, Skype call, music, everything. If you want to send a message, if you want to have alarm, security, everything is right here, even for time management and AI, ChatGPT. So we think this product really can introduce the world and keep people connected. And if you want more information, I'll be very happy to introduce it to you. Please visit our website, hansong.technology.com, or send an email to hchristensen@hansonggroup.com.